Hi everyone, nice to see you. We're talking about blushes and I get so many questions about blushes. Where do I put it? How do I apply it? What blusher do I need? Do I need a matte blusher? Do I want a frost? Do I need a cream? And what I always say, blushes are a personal journey. You can wear any blusher that suits your journey. I like matte blushes because I'm very oily. So I like a light matte finish because my natural oils naturally come through. And I like a bright blusher because I'm darker toned. However, when you're going to apply a blusher, you don't need to apply the whole colour on your face. There's none of this with your blusher brush. When you're applying a bright blusher or any kind of powdered blusher, you want to just do a little tap. Look how much I've got on my brush. And then you want to have a tissue nearby or the back of your hand and take the excess off before you apply to your cheekbone. I always like to go backward motion, tap, take some off. I love that kind of fresh burst of blush. See, I'm not wearing the whole colour, but it's giving my tone of my skin some light. And another trick to do is just tap a little bit over the top of your nose so it all forms together. I hope that was fun sharing my tips with you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.